Hi, this is Nestor Arellano for IT World Canada. Well, here to discuss with us the IT Hero Awards program are Bernard Courtois, President of the Information Technology Association of Canada, and Doug Cooper, Intel Core's Country Manager for Canada. Bernard, would you like to explain to us what the IT Hero Awards program is?
Yes, Nestor. We started it in 2001, and it's intended to recognize individuals, and in 2008 we added a prize for corporations as well, that have made innovative use of technology to address a social problem or to significantly generate economic benefits. And if you look back at the winners in past years, there are extraordinary things that have been done with technology. There's a significant community impact to it. And we're very happy to have this program that actually celebrates that kind of innovation in our country.
Could you give us a few samples of the previous winners of IT Hero Awards?
In 2007, the winner was Kayla Cornally, who, while still in her teens, developed a program to address a problem that she saw in her own family. She had a 10-year-old relative who was autistic, and she developed a program called Sounds into Syllables. And the autistic children, autistic people have problems recognizing letters and spelling and so on, and yet they have very powerful brains, can achieve a lot of great things. So with Sounds to Syllables, Kayla succeeded in helping autistic people recognize letters better, be able to spell, even recognize facial expressions for what they really mean. So she went out there and developed something that is really making a big difference in the lives of autistic people. Another example would be in 2008, we gave a corporate award to TELUS, and TELUS contributed technology and support to a project called Upopolis. Upopolis was started by a young child who was in hospital for a long, long time for cancer treatment. And she realized that children in hospital feel isolated, feel cut off from the people they would normally come to see all day during their lives. And she created a social network for people who were in hospital to reach out to their friends and family. So TELUS contributed to helping that project. So that's the kind of thing that shows how happy we are to find these kinds of extraordinary uses of technology to address social issues or other kinds of problems and solve them.
Intel is a large company which produces a lot of technology every year. But what would you say are the main challenges of smaller organizations when they try to produce or want to produce some technology that would be helpful to the community?
It's an interesting question. I think the challenges for small companies have traditionally been the cost of entry to get technology so that they could implement an idea. Well, there's no shortage of great ideas. The question is, do I have the ability to implement that idea? And over the years, that barrier has gotten smaller and smaller. We've never been in a time, I would say, like today, in that it's almost no cost to be able to put yourself up on the internet or to implement an idea. And the biggest challenge, I would say, is getting in contact with other experts who could help you get your idea implemented, and getting recognized in your community or in a broader community for the thing you're passionate about. I mean, it could be, the health of a loved one in the family, and getting a broader awareness of that is only a good thing within Canada. And so this program helps to do that.
Well, Doug, with this program, how do you think inventors or developers can be encouraged to come out there in the open with their inventions and with their technology?
The great thing about a program like this is that it does create opportunities for friends and family and even individuals to put themselves into the running for an award like IT Hero Award. And the thing they get out of that is not just the actual award itself, but the recognition amongst their peers and other Canadians about how important their idea is. And the more people that become aware of it, the more likely that other people will feel comfortable to enter the program as well, and maybe even try to implement something.